Hello everyone. In this video we'll be discussing on Python Elif ladder. This is very quite interesting actually. Like we do in C language actually we have else if ladder. In Java also we have else if ladder. But in Python what we have? We don't have else if ladder, but we have what? Elif ladder. Okay. So where this Elif ladder is going to be used, that we will be discussing with programming example. And look at the syntax what we have to write. If we are going to write, followed by the condition we have to write, and colon will be there, and within that we have to write the statements. And check out here, based upon the condition we write elif and followed by condition statements. And if we have to check more and more conditions, more and more elif are going to be added. But at last what is going to have? We are going to have what? Else. This is what we call it as elif ladder. Okay, it's quite interesting to look at. We'll be discussing. Guys, if you like something, if you have doubts regarding the video, like in any topic, then you can put a question or anything in a comment so that I can answer you. And the things is like if you need any other videos on any other topic, then also you just put that topic name in a comment so that I can check that and I will try to upload the topic in a video. Okay. Now let us go ahead to the Python topic, where we are going to discuss about Elif ladder. Okay. So I'll show you very fast how very first code has to be written, how it looks like if we are going to write some condition here. Okay, condition is true, then some statements we write here. Okay, and you know this, for what we are going to use this. Now again a question to you now, for what we are going to give the space here. Please, if you know the answer, paste that answer in the comment. Otherwise, at least try to go through why we are leaving this the space instead of curly brackets. The reason, you just try to get that knowledge. Okay. So now, if elif we have to write followed by condition, again colon, again we have to write statements, and like this we keep on increase the number of steps, and at last we should have what? Else. And else also we have statements. Now again, why this space is needed, I will explain in the coming further if you go into the video. Just meanwhile try to get the idea what is that. Okay, what is the purpose of that. I have explained the same thing. I have explained the same thing in if else also in the video related to if else in Python. You can go through that. Okay, you can check why we are using that. Otherwise, in this video also, if we go ahead, we can we'll be talking about that also. Okay, let us take some examples in if else so that it is easy for us to understand. Write a C program that takes a person age as input. We have to take the input what? Person's age, and classifies them into the one of the following categories. We have to print the message child if age is less than 12. We have to print the message teenager if the age is in between 12 and 18. And we have to print the message adult if the age is in between 18 to 60. Means 18 to exactly 59. Less than 60 is nothing but 59 up to 9. Here 12 to exactly where? Up to 17. Less than 18 it is mentioning, means up to 17. Above that, above 16, we can call it a senior. This particular thing I can put in last else condition. I will be developing a code for this. Okay, check it. So how I am going to write the code? Very first we need to read the age. That's why I am giving age equals to int of input of enter age. Okay, now I have to add the condition, like if age is less than 18. If age is less than 18, what is the message I have to print? Just check out what is the message I have to print. Child. Child is the message I have to print. So print within the inverted commas I am putting the message child. Okay. So now let me tell you here in like other programming language how we write curly braces to represent the scope of that particular if or something else. So this cannot be written. This cannot be written in Python. Okay. So instead of this, what can be written is just leave the some gap. That is what we call it as some space with indentation error. Indentation error. So in order to avoid that indentation error, we are giving space. And this is the representation of what this particular statement written belongs to which block? If block. Okay. Now let me go for Elif. Elif. What is the second condition given? Teenager is a message to read between 12 to 18. So 12 to 18. Okay. The first condition is not less than 18. You just check out. The first condition is less than 12. Let me change that. If the age is less than 12, then print age is print child. Elif age greater than or equals to 12. Here we don't have double end operator which represents the logical end. Instead of that, we can go with AND. AND is the operator we have in Python to check two conditions. Okay. So logical end we call it. Age less than 18. Greater than or equals to 12 and less than 18. If this is the condition, then if this condition is true, I have to print the message teenager. What is that? Teenager. Elif. One more condition I have to add. Let me check what is the condition. So 18 to 60 adult. So age greater than or equals to 18 and age less than 60 up to 59. What I mean to say, less than 18 here is also nothing but up to 17. Less than 12 is nothing but up to 11. Okay. Now print. What is the message I have to print? Adult. Last, if all the conditions are failed, then I am coming to else. And this look at this third condition where I have to print this message senior if the age is greater than 60. But this one I am taking, if all the conditions are failed, automatically I am coming to this condition. So for this I am going to write in last else. Okay. So this can be written like this without any checking condition. Else I have to write print. What is the message I have to print? Just let's have a look. Senior. The message what we have to print is senior citizen or something like. So this is the code for displaying the message either child or teenager or adult or senior based on the input age given. Okay, if the age is less than 12, you are going to print a message child. If the age is in between 12 to 17, less than 18 is nothing but 17. There you are going to print the message teenager. If the age is in between 18 to 60 up to 59, so if that is the condition, then you are going to print the message adult, otherwise senior. Let us execute this code. So it is asking for the age. I am entering the age 34. What is the output I got it here? Have a look. What is the output I got it here? Adult. Why I got output adult? Have a look. Why I am getting adult is 34 is the age entered which is coming in between 18 to 59. 6 less than 60. 59. So that's why I am going to able to display the message adult. And this is the first code. This is the code what we are writing for the first problem here. So here in this particular video, I am taking two examples to explain or discuss the how we can use Elif ladder. Okay. So now let us move to the second video. This is the second video. I mean second problem. I'm sorry. Where I have to write the code for. Let us read the question. Write a Python program that takes two numbers as input two inputs I have to take and compare them using Elif. If Elif else means Elif ladder. So the first one, the program should print the first number is greater if the first number is larger. For example, A greater than B, then A is larger. Otherwise, if B is greater than A, B is larger or greater. Otherwise, both are same. Okay. Now look at how I am going to write the code for this. Let me go for one more program. A equals to int of input enter A value. B equals to int of input enter B value. So you have A value and B value. Now I am going to use Elif ladder. If A is greater than B, first number is greater than second number, print. Okay, I am just changing little bit about the message. First number instead of first number, second number, I am taking AB. Okay, A is larger or greater. Okay, Elif, how I am using, check it out. Elif B greater than A. Then print. What is the thing I have to write here? B is larger, and at last else if A is greater than B, then A is larger. B is greater than A, B is larger. If not A not B, who is both are equal? Na? That is the message I am going to print. Print both are equal. This is the code I am writing for the given problem. So now let me execute the code. Getting executed, asking for A value. I am entering 23. B value also I am entering 23. 23, 23. Now what is the output I should get? Both are equal. Just check out what is the output I got it. Both are equal. Let me execute this code for one more time. A value 23, B value 56. Obviously, what is the output we should get? B is larger. So that is the output we are getting. B is larger. So these are the two examples I have taken to explain Elif ladder. Okay, you can go through multiple examples by understanding the basic things. With two examples I have explained, which will help you to do multiple problems based upon this. Okay, so go through that video once or twice so that you will get a clarity. Okay, again I am telling you what is the editor you are using for running this code. So let me answer you. This is the PyCharm. You can download it. You can download it through internet and you can install it. That's it. But make sure that you are downloading the Python compiler also. Okay. So, okay, fine. I will be explaining about that in another video also. How to install Python or PyCharm. I will create one more video for that. Okay. So meanwhile, if you are getting idea, so you can download it and you can run it. Online compilers also there. Online compilers also there for running the Python code. You can go through that also. Okay, guys. Hope you understood the things what I have explained here. Thank you.